Now, it would appear that politicians have now been handed an open check in financing their campaigns. This is after the High Court dismissed a petition seeking to set campaign spending limits. In a ruling, Justice Anthony Mrima declared that the National Assembly did not err in rejecting the IEBC's election campaign financing regulations. Our senior reporter Rita Tinina reports on the latest win for politicians.
Just 3 months to the August polls, politicians are out to woo voters. And for those with deep pockets, they can spend as much as their deep pockets run after the High Court declined to reinstate the Elections Campaign Financing Act. The IEBC had sought to regulate campaign financing and gazetted requirements for political parties and candidates. In a move aimed at creating a level playing field, curb voter bribery and abuse of state resources, the regulations capped campaign spending, required candidates to open campaign accounts managed by an expenditure committee, the source of their funding, and have excess campaign donations surrendered to the Treasury or donated to charity organizations. MPs annulled the Gazette notice, prompting Katiba Institute, Africa Center for Open Governance, Transparency International, and Philip Nyakundi to move to court, seeking to have the campaign funding limits reinstated to protect the integrity of the elections. Political parties and candidates have carried the day. In his ruling, Justice Anthony Mrima ruled that the National Assembly was justified in rejecting the regulations gazetted by the IEBC since there was no public participation. The judge declared that the Election Campaign Financing Act does not require parliamentary approval but must be subjected to public participation. The ruling hands an open check to politicians out on the campaign trail, where those with well-lined wallets will display their campaign show of might. Rita Tinina,